Now, Apple has released the developer version of iOS 15. The public beta isn't available yet. So is the main iOS update. It's not available yet. But if you do want to get in on all the goodies, I'm going to show you how to get a developer account so that you can install iOS 15 and enjoy all the latest features. Please do take note that this update has some bugs, so if this is your main device, you're advised to tread carefully. So guys, I have a link to the iOS 15 beta profile down in the description section, so head there to get access to the link to install the profile. To install the profile, you're going to click the link and it's going to open your Safari, so you're going to have it this way, and then you're going to click download. And then we're going to click download anyway. Now you're going to click allow. And then it tells you that the profile has been downloaded. So we're going to close this, close the entire thing. And then we're going to click settings. We'll go to general. Navigate down to profile. Click on iOS 15 beta profile. And then you see we have this interface. Now you'd see install at the top right, click install. You'd have to enter your password. And once you've entered your password, you're going to click install, install, and then they're going to ask you to restart. So you're going to click restart and your device is just going to restart. Once your device has restarted, unlock your phone. We're going to head back to settings. And then you can see that iOS 15 developer beta now available. You're going to click that. And then it's going to load the interface. It does take a while, but give it some time. It's going to pop up and then you can click install. So let's wait and see what happens. So as you can see, we have iOS 15 developer beta available. And this file is 4.94 gig. So be sure to have your Wi-Fi ready and be sure to have the available space ready to install this. So you're going to click download and install now. Enter your password. And once you click download and install, it's going to say update requested. And as you can see, it says about 90 minutes remaining. We're going to wait for it to install and see if it works or not. Okay guys, so now it's done downloading. We are going to install it now. So you're going to click install now. And then it's going to verify the update. Now the phone is going to restart, and once it turns on, we'll be running iOS 15 beta. So once done installing, you'd see that your phone tells you that your phone has been updated to iOS 15.0. Do take note that this installation will take a bit of time, but because I'm doing this video, I had to shorten everything. So what we're going to do next is just swipe, enter our password, and then voila, we are in iOS 15 now. So if I go to settings, go to general and go to about, you'd see that the software version is iOS 15.0. So there you have it guys. This is how to get iOS 15 on your device. Thanks for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. And let me know what you like about iOS 15 down in the comment section below. I go by the name Soji Gray and I'll catch you in the next one.